down to the river, heard some music, and the locals are having a bit of a afternoon party. Having a fat old time. Enjoying the last bit of blue sky before that storm over there rocks in. Yeah man, the people in Sumatra, God they're nice. Well, this will be us tomorrow coming down on the raft, coming back from their jungle trekking looking for orangutans. Yeah man, they're just living carefree by the river. What a great life. It's a pretty beautiful spot here, honestly. It's pretty gorgeous. Found myself a great little spot to enjoy a quiet beverage, and keeping my shirt on because I'm already sunburned as you can probably tell. That's from that motorbike ride the other day over on the island. So no, the water's beautiful, beers are good, nice and cold, so yeah, spend an hour or so here, well maybe 20 minutes, and then we'll see what's happening tonight. Look at this lad here. He's got a rope and then he's surfing. Yes! Like a boss. Man, how cool's that? Oh, Sumatra, full of surprises. Oh, look where we are. Back at Jack's Bar. That's where I was swimming, just down there before where everyone else is. Great little spot because it's got that eddy current, so there's water, no water sort of raging right at you, it's swirling around, and it was really awesome little spot. Hello! Look at these little legends. These little girls, man, they're like maybe 4 or 5. No fear, they live here, man. That's how they roll. Alright, off they go. Mad dogs, good on them. Bye. Man, how awesome's that? Like 3 or 4-year-old kids, no phones, living their best life. That's how it should be. Bloody awesome. Oh, look out, they're heading for the rapids. So it's officially raining. Lena and I have gone out to get something to eat, and we might be stuck here for a while because it is pissing down. So Lena's food has just arrived. We've got this local chicken curry with vegetables.
Oh,
there's a bit of rice.
Chopping onions, you'd love that.
Oh, there's a bit of rice with some prawn crackers. And here comes the rain again, and it looks amazing. We'll get back to you when we can actually hear ourselves think. Here's my satay, served with chips again. Bit unusual, but you can use the chips and soak up all the sauce. So we'll see what this is like. That curry that Lena's got, bloody hell, that is next level. That is amazing.
That's a winner.
It's fantastic, great flavours. Awesome flavours. So the rain's holding off a bit. Here's the name of the joint. My Resto. It's going to be hard to see with the GoPro, but yeah, My Resto it's called. That's the best curry that Lena and I have probably ever eaten. Malaysian, Thai, Indian, whatever. God, it was so good. It had these little seeds in it, and we weren't sure what they were. And then Lena worked it out.
It was aniseed, like star anise, like a licorice.
Yeah, so it was the little seeds out of the star anise. You know, you get the little flower. It was those little seeds, and until Lena bit into one and went, oh yeah, this is aniseed, this is awesome. We didn't know, but
yeah.
Oh god, so good.
Beautiful.
So these guys make their own ginger beer on site.
It's actually called Radler, ginger beer Radler.
Yeah, so it's low alcohol ginger beer, but if you put some in your beer glass, and then mix it with some bintang, it's like Stones with beer. Stones ginger beer. If you're Australian, you know what that is. And it's bloody delish. It's so good. And yeah, these are the cheapest beers here. They're $5 a tallie, so great value. You've got to check this place out for sure. So you can probably hear the rain. We're both drowned rats. Bloody hell. We thought there was a break in the weather. There was for about 3 seconds. And then we just got pumped. But yeah, we're back now. Here's the little cabino anyway. We haven't showed you the room. So it's, yeah, very basic. Bed there. There's a mosquito net. There's a fan up here. Here's the wet room, toilet area. Just a toilet. Oh, there's a garden in the toilet, which is nice. And there's our sink with lots of rocks. And here's the shower. It was a rain shower. But I actually took the rain shower off and put it on the floor because the water pressure is so rubbish that it only comes out 2 or 3 holes. So just have a shower under the big dog there and everything's happy. Alright, we're signing off for today with Sash. Got to have a shower and go night-night. Cheers, we'll see you tomorrow. Day 3 today, and we are starting our trek into the jungle. So after walking up about 1,000 steps, we finally got into the jungle, and it's mega humid. Just come into the national park bit. So yeah, there's canopy overhead. It's not actually too hot, it's good, it's really humid, but it's only probably 23, 24 degrees, which is nice.
Slowly, yeah?
Yeah, slowly. Getting a little bit gnarly. Just don't want to slip on all these tree roots. Don't want to slip on all these tree roots. How you going, hon?
I'll just do what the monkeys do, use the trees. Oh.
Yeah.
Going great guns.
Holy sweat fest.
Oh, I'll say. The pineapple.
Got some macaques over there.
Oh.
I'm climbing up. We've got one. It's over there in the tree. I'll get a bit closer.
Yeah, the baby, you can go there.
Yeah. Where is he? Nothing there. Hang on. Oh, he might be going for a swing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. We've just found something else. Some other little animal. The rare red-fronted turkey. Some of these tree root sections are a bit tricky. The size of these bloody ants. They're a monster. Crazy big. It's a bit hard to tell how steep this is with the camera, but it's pretty steep. Oh. As long as we don't have to walk back up here. I've done enough uphill today. Oh fucking jeez.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Very soft.
There's a mama and a baby up there. I'll try and zoom in a bit.
Give him your email.
Yeah. That'd be good.
Phone mania. Zoom in more, hun. Go to... Friggin' sliding around all over the place. Pretty steep. Don't slip, mate.
No.
Just falling over coming down that hill because the rocks are bloody slippery. Oh, fuck. And now, got a little creek. Oh, God. It's pretty gorgeous out here. Canopy's opened up a bit.
Welcome to ocean.
Okay.
I know, just joke.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
wait a moment. Wait a moment.
What are you doing, you drongo?
Yeah, wait a moment. I can help you.
No, sorry.
Lena's trying to get up this hill of death here now. I shouldn't laugh because I'll be doing it next.
Don't you? Yeah.
Go on, mate, off you go.
Hold my hand.
Oh, thank you. Yes, much better.
Boys are making us up a bit of a morning tea spread. Looks pretty good. Pineapple, passion fruit, rambutans, bananas, watermelon. Beautiful.
Look, I met you.
What did you think of the fruit, mate?
Oh. Pineapple was awesome.
Yeah. Pineapple's really sweet. Those little bananas are nice too, actually. Oh, hang on, what's that on there? Get off.
They're the pissant bananas.
No
Pissant.
smoke,
Yeah.
no smoking, no strong.
Yeah, no, they're good. Really nice. Good feed. Good little treat.
Very nice.
Nice. Yeah, that's good thing.
Now the artist Pandi.
Yeah.
Now the artist Pandi, not the animal.
Just animal.
Out of the jungle. Just heading out now and back down the river to jump in our tubes. Go for a river ride. So the guide was just saying that this old derelict structure here on the edge of the national park, they used to have orangutans that came down into a clearing just over there, and people used to sit up on here and they'd feed the orangutans and bring them down out of the jungle. So they've been that about 10 years ago, and because the orangutans were starting to get reliant on people for food, so that's good to see. And now it's just walking around, and if you see one, you see one. We saw 3 today, so not too bad. Hopefully I can touch up the video a bit so you can see the footage, because they were up pretty high in the canopy. Alright, I can hear the river. We'll get ready for our river ride. Lena is officially the jungle queen.
Sheena, queen of the jungle.
Sheena. And Sheena was a man. Bloody jungle drongo, mate.
Shut up. As long as it's not poisonous.
Yeah, you get a massive rash on your forehead.
A ring rash around my head.
We're finally out of the jungle, thank God. We're at the river. Oh,
Welcome to Jungle Taxi.
jungle taxi.
Yeah, Jungle Taxi.
Beautiful.
This one, your taxi.
That's better.
Yeah. Brother Mahdi.
Hello.
Driver for
Oh, he's lost his stick. How do we look?